Welcome to this Surrealist tips and tricks video. Today we'll explore the most powerful features of Surrealist to help you become a pro at querying, organizing, and optimizing your workflow. Whether you're just starting out or looking to master some more advanced tips, we've got something for everyone. Let's dive in. First up, let's customize your workspace for maximum productivity with keyboard shortcuts. Head to the settings, find the key bindings section, and tweak it to match your workflow. For example, you can set Command S to open Surreal Sidekick, or set Command Shift F to format the query editor. Tip 2. Backup and restore your config. It's always important to protect your settings by backing up your configuration. To do this, go to the Settings menu and find the Backup and Restore section. This section allows you to create an export of your configuration, optionally include sensitive information such as passwords, and limit the connections included in the export. If you need to move to a new setup, simply import this file to restore your preferences. Tip 3. Writing reusable functions. Functions are a powerful feature in SurrealQL and allow you to reuse common logic. Because of this, Surrealist offers a functions view which simplifies the authoring of functions. Additionally, you can effortlessly define function arguments, configure function execution permissions, and specify the function return type. Tip 4. Inferring variables from queries. You might find yourself writing or running queries containing parameters. To optimize this workflow, Surrealist can automatically scan your query for parameters and update the variables panel accordingly. For example, let's specify a user ID parameter in our query. All we have to do now is press this button and the parameter is ready for us to edit. Live queries let you interact with real-time data directly in your database. This is incredibly useful for testing changes, debugging issues, or just exploring your data. For example, let's start by writing a live select query to listen to pending orders. Surrealist will ask us to switch to live mode, which is where we can view incoming updates. Every time a relevant record is created, updated, or removed, you will receive a message. This makes it easy to write and debug live queries for your applications. Tip 6. Saving your queries. Surrealist lets you save your favorite queries with just one click. To do this, write your query in the query view, then press the star button in the top right. Surrealist will prompt you to name your query and optionally attach tags to it for further categorization. Whenever you want to view your list of saved queries, simply press the Saved Queries button in the Query View sidebar. You can now view your saved queries, filter them based on tags, and easily restore them back to the query editor with just one click. Tip 7. Embedding Surrealist. Surrealist can be shared or embedded into websites in the form of Surrealist Mini. This allows you to create and share self-contained interactive examples. Simply search for the Open Mini Generator command and fill out the form. Once you're done, you can copy this unique mini as a URL or iframe snippet, which you can embed directly into any website. Tip 8. Working with GraphQL. GraphQL is a common way to expose your database to your applications and directly supported by SurrealDB. In Surrealist, you can write, test, and execute GraphQL queries with ease. In this example, we define a getUser query to retrieve the name and email of the user with ID 1, 2, 3. Much like the query view, you can press the execute button to run the query and view the result. Being able to write and test GraphQL queries this way will help you save lots of time. Tip 9. Exploring geographical data. If you're working with geographical data, the Geo Inspector will allow you to visualize geographical data directly within Surrealist. For example, you can quickly visualize points of interest on a map. Surrealist supports all SurrealDB geographical data types, making it convenient to debug all your geographical data. Tip 10. exporting and importing databases. Finally, exporting and importing databases is essential for migrations, backups, or sharing data with your team. To do this from Surrealist, first make sure the desired namespace and database is selected. Once you are ready, simply hover over the connection status in the top left of the interface and select Export Database or Import Database. Now follow the instructions presented by Surrealist. So that wraps up our Surrealist tips and tricks. I hope you found this video useful. Let us know which features you find the most helpful in the comments below. For more advice and information on using Surrealist, you can check out our other Surrealist tutorials here on YouTube, or head over to surrealdb.com/surrealist. And if you haven't done so already, you can always join our community on Discord.